Natural eye healing secrets and remedies that most people don't know. Our eyes are one of the most precious yet fragile organs in the body, allowing us to experience the world in vivid detail. But with modern lifestyles, filled with screens, artificial lighting, and environmental toxins, our eyesight is constantly under strain. Many people assume that poor vision is inevitable with age, but what if that's not entirely true? What if there are natural secrets to healing and protecting your eyes that most people don't know? Science has revealed that many vision problems are preventable and in some cases, even reversible with the right nutrients, habits, and lifestyle changes. While glasses and contact lenses are useful, they don't actually fix the root causes of vision decline. The truth is, our eyes need specific vitamins, minerals, and natural remedies to function optimally. In this video, we will uncover some of the best-kept secrets for naturally improving eyesight, preventing eye diseases, and even reversing certain conditions. We will also explore the most powerful vitamins and supplements for eye health, how they work, and how they can naturally heal and protect your vision for years to come. Before exploring the most powerful vitamins and supplements for eye health, let's first uncover some of the best-kept secrets for naturally improving eyesight and overall health. Secret number 1. Your digestive system affects vision. Most people don't realize that eye health starts in the gut. A poor digestive system can lead to inflammation, nutrient deficiencies, and even autoimmune conditions that affect the eyes. For instance, a leaky gut, where the intestinal lining becomes damaged, allows toxins to enter the bloodstream, which can trigger inflammation in the eyes, leading to blurry vision, redness, and dryness. Conditions like uveitis, or eye inflammation, and even cataracts have been linked to gut health problems. To heal the gut and, in turn, protect the eyes, it's essential to consume probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kombucha. These foods help balance gut bacteria, improve nutrient absorption, and reduce eye inflammation. Adding collagen-rich bone broth to your diet can also repair the gut lining, improving both digestive and eye health. Secret number 2. Your eyes can regenerate with the right nutrients. Many people believe that once vision starts declining, there's no turning back. However, research suggests that the right nutrition can support eye regeneration and slow down age-related vision loss. The eyes, like any other organ, require specific nutrients to repair and function properly. There are compounds that protect the retina from harmful blue light exposure, reducing the risk of macular degeneration, which is the leading cause of blindness. Without enough of the right vitamins, the eyes will struggle to produce tears, leading to discomfort and an increased risk of infections. Secret number 3. Hydration, the forgotten key to clear vision. One of the simplest yet most overlooked secrets to maintaining healthy eyes is proper hydration. The eyes are made up of over 98% water, and dehydration can lead to dry eyes, irritation, and blurred vision. When the body lacks water, the eyes struggle to produce enough tears, making them more prone to infections and irritation. This is why people who drink little water often suffer from chronic dry eye syndrome. Drinking enough purified water daily, at least 8 glasses, ensures the eyes stay moist, nourished, and clear. Adding a pinch of Himalayan salt to your water can also improve electrolyte balance, helping the eyes retain moisture more effectively. Secret number 4. Blue light is destroying your eyes. In today's world, our eyes are constantly bombarded with blue light from screens, including phones, laptops, and TVs. Blue light penetrates deep into the retina, causing oxidative stress and damaging delicate eye cells. Over time, excessive exposure to blue light leads to digital eye strain, headaches, and even permanent vision damage. It is also a major contributor to macular degeneration, which can lead to blindness. To protect your eyes from blue light damage. 1. Wear blue light blocking glasses when using screens. 2. Take regular breaks always, for every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. 3. Use screen filters and night mode settings to reduce blue light exposure in the evening. Reducing blue light exposure can prevent long-term eye damage and improve visual clarity. Now let's look at the most powerful vitamins and supplements necessary for eye repair and disease prevention. 1. Vitamin A, the vision protector. Vitamin A is one of the most essential nutrients for eye health. It plays a crucial role in maintaining good night vision, preventing dry eyes, and reducing the risk of infections. The retina contains light-sensitive cells called photoreceptors, which rely on vitamin A to function properly. Without enough of this vitamin, the eyes struggle to adjust to darkness, leading to night blindness. A deficiency in vitamin A can also cause xerophthalmia, a condition that leads to dry, irritated, and damaged corneas, which can eventually lead to blindness. This is why vitamin A-rich foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, liver, and spinach are often recommended for better vision. Supplementing with vitamin A can be especially helpful for people suffering from dry eyes, night blindness, and corneal damage. However, because vitamin A is fat-soluble, it's important not to overconsume it, as excessive amounts can be toxic. 2. Vitamin C, the antioxidant shield for your eyes. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in reducing oxidative stress in the eyes. The eyes are constantly exposed to UV light, pollution, and free radicals, which can cause cell damage over time. This oxidative damage is one of the leading causes of cataracts and macular degeneration. Research has shown that people who consume high amounts of vitamin C have a lower risk of developing cataracts. This vitamin also helps in the formation of collagen, which is essential for maintaining the structure of the cornea and blood vessels in the eyes. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, as well as bell peppers, strawberries, and kiwis, are rich in vitamin C if you're at risk of cataracts or macular degeneration. A vitamin C supplement can help protect your eyes from oxidative damage and maintain clear vision. 3. Vitamin E, the eye cell protector. Vitamin E is another powerful antioxidant that works to protect the delicate eye tissues from damage. Research suggests that vitamin E can slow down the progression of macular degeneration and reduce the risk of cataracts. Since the retina is highly susceptible to oxidative stress, vitamin E plays a vital role in neutralizing free radicals before they can cause damage. Foods rich in vitamin E include nuts, seeds, spinach, and avocados. For individuals who experience blurred vision, macular degeneration, or age-related eye diseases, supplementing with vitamin E can be highly beneficial. 4. Lutein and zeaxanthin, nature's built-in sunglasses. Lutein and zeaxanthin are two powerful carotenoids that act as natural filters for blue light and UV rays. These nutrients are found in high concentrations in the macula, the central part of the retina responsible for sharp vision. Blue light from screens, sunlight, and artificial lighting penetrates deep into the retina, causing oxidative stress and damage. Over time, this damage leads to macular degeneration, digital eye strain, and fatigue. Lutein and zeaxanthin absorb this harmful light, protecting the retina from permanent damage. Studies show that people with higher levels of these carotenoids in their diet have better visual acuity and a lower risk of eye diseases. To increase lutein and zeaxanthin intake, eat kale, spinach, corn, eggs, and bell peppers. For those exposed to long hours of screen time, a supplement containing these two powerful antioxidants can help reduce eye strain and protect vision. 5. Zinc, the night vision booster. Zinc is a crucial mineral that plays an important role in transporting vitamin A to the retina, improving night vision and reducing the risk of macular degeneration. Without enough zinc, the retina cannot produce melanin, a protective pigment that shields the eyes from UV damage. Zinc is also essential for maintaining the health of the optic nerve, which transmits visual signals from the eye to the brain. A deficiency in zinc can lead to poor night vision, blurry vision, and increased risk of macular degeneration. Foods high in zinc include beef, shellfish, pumpkin seeds, and legumes. A zinc supplement can be particularly beneficial for older adults or those with a history of macular degeneration or night blindness. 6. Omega-3 fatty acids, the dry eye solution. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish oil, flax seeds, and walnuts, are essential for maintaining healthy tear production and reducing dry eye symptoms. They work by reducing inflammation in the tear glands, preventing chronic dryness, irritation, and redness. Studies have shown that people with higher omega-3 intake are less likely to suffer from dry eye syndrome, macular degeneration, and retinal damage. These healthy fats also improve blood flow to the eyes, supporting overall visual function. If you struggle with dry, itchy eyes or computer eye strain, taking an omega-3 supplement can provide significant relief. 7. Bilberry extract, the natural vision enhancer. Bilberry extract has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for improving vision. It contains anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that strengthen blood vessels in the eyes, improve night vision, and reduce inflammation. During World War II, British pilots reportedly consumed bilberry jam to enhance their night vision before flying. Modern research supports these claims, showing that bilberry extract can reduce eye fatigue, improve retinal function, and protect against macular degeneration. Bilberries can be consumed fresh or taken as a supplement for an extra boost in eye health. 8. Astaxanthin, the ultimate eye protector. Astaxanthin is one of the most powerful antioxidants for the eyes. With research showing that it is 500 times stronger than vitamin E, it helps protect the eyes from UV light damage, oxidative stress, and inflammation, making it beneficial for people at risk of cataracts, glaucoma, and retinal diseases. Astaxanthin is found naturally in wild salmon, shrimp, and krill, but supplementing with astaxanthin extract can provide higher concentrations for maximum eye protection. Your eyesight is not doomed to deteriorate with age. By making simple yet powerful changes to your diet, hydration, and lifestyle, you can nourish, protect, and even restore your vision naturally. The key is consistency. Regularly consuming eye-healing foods, using protective measures against blue light, staying hydrated, and taking essential vitamins can make a huge difference in your long-term eye health. By applying these natural eye-healing secrets, you give your eyes the best chance at staying strong, sharp, and vibrant for life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips.